Hi friends, I've brought a new video for you. This video is going to be on Caricef. Caricef contains 400 milligrams of Cefixime Trihydrate in it. The box has 5 capsules, is made by Cefixime Pharmaceuticals, and the price for one box is 375 rupees. Cefixime is used to treat certain infections caused by bacteria such as bronchitis, infections of the airway tubes leading to the lungs, gonorrhea, a sexually transmitted disease, and infections of the ears, throat, tonsils, and urinary tract. Cefixime is in a class of medications called cephalosporin antibiotics. It works by killing bacteria. Antibiotics such as Cefixime will not work for colds, flu, or other viral infections. Using antibiotics when they are not needed increases your risk of getting an infection later that resists antibiotic treatment. Cefixime comes as a tablet, chewable tablet, capsule, and suspension to be taken by mouth. It is usually taken with or without food every 12 or 24 hours. When used for the treatment of gonorrhea, it may be given as a single dose. Take Cefixime at around the same times every day. Follow the directions on your prescription label carefully and ask your doctor or pharmacist to explain any part you do not understand. Take Cefixime exactly as directed. Do not take more or less of it, or take it more often than prescribed by your doctor. Shake the suspension well before each use to mix the medication evenly. If you are taking the chewable tablets, chew those tablets completely before swallowing. Do not swallow the chewable tablets whole. If you have trouble chewing, you may crush them before swallowing. Cefixime tablets come with the line down in the middle of the tablet. If the doctor tells you to take half the tablet, break it carefully on the line. Take half the tablet as directed and save the other half for your next dose. You should begin to feel better during the first days of the treatment with Cefixime. If your symptoms do not improve or get worse, call your doctor. Cefixime is also sometimes used to treat sinus infections in penicillin allergic patients, pneumonia, Shigella, an infection that causes severe diarrhea, Salmonella, an infection that causes severe diarrhea, and typhoid fever, a serious infection that is common in developing countries. Talk to your doctor about the risks of using this medication for your condition. Take the missed dose as soon as you remember it. However, if it is almost time for the next dose, skip the missed dose and continue your regular dosing schedule. Do not take a double dose to make up for a missed one. Some side effects of Cefixime include diarrhea, stomach pain, gas, heartburn, nausea, and vomiting. Some serious side effects include water or bloody stools, stomach cramps, or fever during treatment, or for up to 2 or 4 more months after stopping treatment, rash, itching, hives, difficulty breathing or swallowing, wheezing, swelling of the face, throat, tongue, lips, and eyes, a return of sore throat, fever, chills, or other signs of infection. Please call your doctor if you experience these serious side effects. I hope you like the video. Please like and share our channel, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.